Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to transfer money to your Albert savings account. If you don't have an Albert account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $150. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for Move Money at the left side menu of this page. Click on Move Money. Now, select the From and To account. Make sure that the To account is your savings account. Next, select your savings goal. Then on the Amount field, enter the amount you wish to transfer. After entering, click on Review Transfer. Lastly, click on Confirm Transfer. That's how you transfer money to your Albert savings account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.